Hi, this is Raman from tradingwithvenus.com. Today we'll take a look at one of the trades we took in the trade room. I get asked this question very often. How do I decide what trade to take and what goes through my mind as I'm taking the trades? So I thought I will start this series where I talk about the trades that I've actually taken, what I was thinking at the time, what pattern I was looking at, what kind of setup I was looking at, and how the trade played out. So this is a new series that we'll be talking about where I'll just be analyzing the actual trades that I have taken, and also to focus on what goes on through a trader's mind as we are taking trades in the live market environment. So the first one we'll take a look at here would be Aussie US dollar short trade that I took today on September 11, 2018. Before we dive into it though, just a quick disclaimer here. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. The trade that was taken in the trade room today was based on a double top trade setup. So what we have here is Aussie US dollar 15-minute chart. And if we were to zoom out, we'll see that price has been dropping here for Aussie dollar, and overall the bias is to the downside, and then a price was kind of going sideways here. So when I came to my trade station here, price had dropped and pushed back higher here, and this is kind of what we were looking at. So price pushed up, it went sideways here, and then we got this double top formation. So here we have double top right in here, as well as this intraday double top. So two different confirmations for our double top here, and we had the support resistance level that price was in. So I waited for price to give us this nice bearish candle close here, and that's where I entered the trade short. And in terms of the stop loss, I put the stop loss on the other side of this R2 level because we were very close to R1 here, and I just looked at this support and resistance plus our R2 level. So that's where I put my stop loss. And the target here was all the way into the bottom here, 0.7085 was the target. But as the price was coming down, I was sitting there and price was not really doing much. It gave us this pin. So I got a little impatient and just clicked out of the trade because we had sat there for a long time and I was starting to get a little tired. So I exited the trade. So from entry to exit, we got 20 pips in the trade. But as we can see, a little bit patience would have paid off because price did come and test this S2 level. And then finally, it got into that 70.85 level that I was looking for. But overall, it was a profitable trade. And so just to recap here, what I was looking at was, first of all, looking back. Overall bias was to the downside here, and then we have the support resistance level. Price had pulled back to do a back test of the support resistance level. Just get this out of the way for a second. So price had pulled into the support resistance level yesterday, and then today it did another back test of the same level here, giving us a double top, intraday double top, as well as immediate double top right here as well. Twice price rejected the support resistance level. So that gives us a good idea that price is likely to drop from this point. So I entered the trade short and just let it play out. Then when we had this pin here, I exited the trade, but as we can see, price did go lower and a little bit of patience would have paid off a little bit more here. But overall, a profitable trade, and as long as it is a profitable trade, we can close the day out with a profit. That is always a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just a quick little video to show what I was thinking and where the mindset is when you're taking trades under live market conditions. If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets. As well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening, and we go through over 20 pairs, and we've looked for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar, and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room, and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another trade setup very soon.